Hey family, hello Holy City Church. My name's Eduardo Archer. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist, and I'm looking forward to the next couple weeks. I'm spending a couple evenings with you all. All right, we're gonna start off with Monday. Monday evening, we're gonna sit down and talk through a topic I like to call surviving your spouse. All right, because it's not easy, it's risky, and I wanna make sure I put you on a journey to begin to wrestle with what that means and what it's gonna take. But we're gonna follow that up with week 2, where I'm gonna give you an assessment in between the week 1 and 2. And out of that, we're gonna have a very customized and specific approach to understanding who you are and understanding your spouse. We're gonna walk away from that evening really getting an idea of what it means to connect, what it means, that internal drive that your spouse has, but really you're also going to walk away from that evening feeling heard, feeling understood. And I'm looking forward to that. So I will be there. My wife will be joining me, and she'll help lead discussions and engage the group as well. We're really looking forward to spending that time. And I'm looking forward to seeing you on Monday. All right, take care, guys.